Hi, this is the 3D printing lawyer. Today, I'm announcing a sweepstakes for my loyal subscribers. I'm giving away a Bambu Lab A1 3D printer without the AMS. You just need to be in the US and over 18. If you're under 18, you can probably do it with the permission of a guardian. Why am I having a giveaway just for my subscribers? I really want to show my appreciation for all of you who have subscribed. Also, I'm continuing to test my latest venture, subsweeps.com. If you're a YouTuber and you no longer want to rely on the honor system when having giveaways for your subscribers, it's your solution. The site is live and there are free plans for small channels. To enter my sweepstakes, you must be a subscriber by Monday, January 27th. Go to the URL in the next scene and agree to the terms. But first, let's finish the commercial for the awesome Bambu Lab A1. One entry will be selected on Friday, January 31st. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Please like this video. Thank you for subscribing. Have a good day.